Hey there! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your favorite corner of the internet for beautiful, livable home design. I'm so excited you're here today because we're diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, summer farmhouse living. Think breezy textures, sun-warmed wood, fresh greenery, and spaces that feel like a deep, relaxed breath. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. And if you're already part of our family, welcome back, friend. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you a farmhouse lover or are you just discovering this style? Let's get into it. Before anyone steps inside your home, your exterior is already telling a story. A modern farmhouse facade in summer calls for clean, honest materials. Crisp white board and batten siding paired with warm wood accents creates that signature contrast we love. Add dark-framed windows for a contemporary edge, and let climbing vines or window boxes overflowing with seasonal blooms soften the architecture naturally. A statement front door in matte black or deep sage green anchors the whole look. This is your home's handshake. Make it confident, warm, and unmistakably you. Your entryway is the unsung hero of your home, and in farmhouse design, it earns every inch of space. Start with a shiplap-backed coat rack fitted with chunky iron hooks, perfect for summer hats, linen jackets, and woven totes. Below, a built-in shoe cabinet with a bench seat wrapped in a ticking stripe cushion keeps things tidy and welcoming. Hang a vintage-inspired mirror to bounce light around. Layer a natural jute mat at the door, and tuck a small terracotta pot with herbs on a lead shelf. Functional, charming, and completely farmhouse perfect. The farmhouse living room in summer is all about lightness and ease. Swap heavy drapes for sheer linen panels that billow gently in the breeze, and ground the space with a natural sisal or hand-woven cotton rug. Choose a slip-covered sofa in soft white or warm oatmeal. Slipcovers are a farmhouse essential because they're washable, relaxed, and endlessly charming. Layer in wooden accents through a reclaimed coffee table, stack some vintage books, and bring in trailing greenery like pothoes or eucalyptus stems in simple stoneware vases. Keep the palette airy, and let the textures do the talking. There's something deeply soul-satisfying about a farmhouse dining room that's set beautifully but never feels fussy. Anchor the space with a long, solid oak or pine dining table, one with gorgeous grain and a hint of where that tells a story. For summer, dress your table with a relaxed linen runner, mismatched ceramic candle holders, and a low centerpiece of fresh garden blooms in a mason jar cluster. Wooden chargers, linen napkins tied with twine, and a cluster of beeswax candles complete the look. This is dining that invites lingering long after dessert. The farmhouse kitchen is where style meets substance, and summer is its golden season. Picture shaker-style cabinetry in soft white or warm sage green, paired with open shelving displaying your prettiest everyday ceramics. A statement refrigerator in retro cream or classic stainless sits proudly alongside a farmhouse apron front sink. Your stove, ideally in matte black or vintage white, becomes a true focal point. And don't overlook your small countertop coffee machine nestled in a dedicated coffee nook, styled with a wooden tray, stacked mugs, and a tiny potted herb. Practical beauty at its finest. It's the details in a farmhouse kitchen that transform it from ordinary to extraordinary. Think glass front upper cabinets, showcasing stacked linen dishware and heirloom mason jars. Add unlacquered brass or matte black hardware on your drawers and cabinet doors. This small swap makes an enormous difference. Hang a wooden pot rack overhead for function and visual warmth. Your coffee station deserves its own moment. A compact machine with a small chalkboard sign, a sugar bowl with a rustic spoon, and a linen hand towel folded nearby. These are the quiet, beautiful rituals that make home feel like home. The family room is where comfort rules above all else, and in farmhouse design, Cozy is actually a strategy. Center your layout around a flat-screen TV mounted on a shiplap feature wall or set within a painted wood media cabinet. Hide those cords for a clean look. Pull in a chunky knit throw blanket, an oversized upholstered ottoman serving as a coffee table, and a floor lamp with a warm Edison bulb. Baskets tucked beneath surfaces hold blankets and remotes. Add a gallery wall of family photographs in mismatched white frames. This room should feel like a hug. A modern farmhouse home deserves a workspace that inspires without overwhelming. Tuck a compact, character-rich desk, perhaps reclaimed wood on hairpin legs or a vintage schoolteacher's desk, into a quiet corner or under a window for natural light. Style the desktop with intention. A small analog desk clock with a leather strap, a tiny vintage-style radio for background music, a single succulent, and a ceramic pen holder. Keep the shelving above minimal but purposeful. This is a space that whispers productivity. You don't need a full room, just a well-designed corner with the right energy. Every farmhouse home needs a reading nook, a small, intentional pocket of calm that calls you in. If space allows, frame a window seat with built-in bookshelves on either side, cushioned with a thick linen pad in a soft stripe. Layer in pillows, a lightweight cotton quilt, and a small side table holding a mug of tea and a candle. If floor space is limited, a single armchair in a natural fabric beside a tall floor lamp creates the same magic. Stack books on a rustic wooden crate beside it. This corner is your permission slip to slow down. Your bedroom in modern farmhouse style should feel like checking into the most beautiful countryside in every single night. Start with a statement bed frame in natural wood or painted white with a simple panel headboard. Layer your bedding starting with crisp white cotton sheets, then a linen duvet, a gauzy throw at the foot, and a mix of Euro and standard pillow shams. Add a reclaimed wood nightstand with a simple table lamp and a single bloom in a bud vase. Keep the walls soft, warm white, pale linen, or very muted sage to keep the bedroom feeling serene and restful. The magic of a farmhouse bedroom lives in its quiet details. Layer a hand-quilted coverlet beneath your duvet for texture and depth. Hang a simple pendant light on each side of the bed, instead of table lamps to free up nightstand space and add architectural charm. A vintage-style wooden ladder leaned against the wall makes a beautiful blanket display. 4 window treatments. Consider white cotton Roman shades with natural woven blinds layered behind for light control. Add a small tray on your dresser with a scented candle, a linen jewelry roll, and a tiny photo frame. Bliss. A farmhouse bathroom achieves something special. It feels spa-like while remaining completely approachable. Your shower is the star. Consider white subway tile with a dark grout for that vintage modern contrast, a rainfall showerhead in matte black, and a built-in niche line with the same tile for your products. At the vanity, a vessel sink or undermount basin in white ceramic sits beautifully on a wooden vanity cabinet, perhaps in a warm walnut or a painted sage. Layer in woven baskets for storage, a linen apron towel on a hook, and a small succulent on the counter. Pure, calm beauty. Bathroom accessories are where personality truly shines in farmhouse design. Choose a mirror with a wood or aged metal frame rather than a plain frameless option. This single choice transforms the entire vanity area. Add a small wooden tray to corral your daily essentials. A pump-top soap dispenser in ceramic, a small glass rinse cup, and a beeswax lip balm or candle. Replace standard towel bars with black iron hooks for a more casual, layered look. Lay a washable cotton or jute bath mat at your feet. These are the small, intentional choices that make a bathroom feel designed, not just decorated. The garage often gets overlooked in home design, but a farmhouse-style garage has serious potential. Start with the exterior. A classic carriage-style garage door in white or wood grain finish immediately elevates your curb appeal. Inside, Line the walls with open wooden shelving for organized storage. Think labeled galvanized metal bins and woven baskets. Add a pegboard wall for tools, hung neatly with wooden-handled equipment. If space allows, create a small potting bench by a window for your garden work. Hang a simple pendant light overhead. With the right approach, your garage becomes an extension of your home's character. The farmhouse patio is where the indoor-outdoor magic truly comes alive, and in summer, it becomes your most used room. Define the space with a large, weatherproof outdoor rug in a classic stripe or natural weave. Choose durable yet beautiful furniture, a slatted teak or acacia dining table with rattan chairs, or a deep-seated outdoor sofa with canvas cushions in natural tones. String lights draped overhead create instant warmth after sunset. Add potted citrus trees, trailing jasmine, and a galvanized watering can as decor. Layer in an outdoor lantern or two, and your patio becomes a place people never want to leave. One of the most powerful principles in modern farmhouse design is visual continuity, making your indoor and outdoor spaces feel like one beautifully connected living environment. Achieve this by repeating your interior color palette in your outdoor cushions and planters. Use the same materials, natural wood, iron, stone, both inside and out. If your patio doors are glass, position your indoor furniture to frame the outdoor view intentionally. Bring outdoor elements inside. A branch in a tall vase, a stone bowl as a centerpiece, fresh-cut herbs in a kitchen jar. When inside and outside speak the same design language, your home feels expansive and deeply cohesive. Now that we've walked through every room, let's zoom out and look at the full picture. Successful modern farmhouse design in summer is built on 3 pillars: natural materials, restrained color, and purposeful texture. Wood, linen, cotton, iron, ceramic, and stone. These are your building blocks. Your palette should feel like the countryside on a warm June morning. Whites, creams, warm grays, sage greens, and earthy terracottas. Every room should feel collected over time, not purchased all at once. Mix old and new pieces with confidence. Let the light in. Keep surfaces edited. Farmhouse style is ultimately about a life well lived, beautifully held. Before we wrap up, I want to give you the most important design advice of all. Make it yours. Farmhouse style is a framework, not a formula. Display the pottery your grandmother gave you. Hang the artwork that makes your heart skip. Choose the paint color that you genuinely love waking up to, not the one that's trending. The most beautiful farmhouse homes I've seen aren't the ones with perfect shiplap and identical accessories. They're the ones where you can feel the family that lives there. Use these ideas as your starting point, then layer in the pieces of your own story. That's where design becomes truly extraordinary. And that's a wrap on our summer farmhouse journey, friends. From the sun-drenched facade all the way to that dreamy patio strung with lights, I hope this video gave you a full, inspiring picture of how beautiful and livable modern farmhouse design can truly be. If any of these ideas sparked something for you, I'd absolutely love to hear about it. Drop your favorite room makeover idea in the comments below. And if this video brought you any joy or inspiration today, please give it a like and share it with a friend who loves beautiful spaces. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas, because your next wave of design inspiration is already on its way. See you in the next one.